Hello, 5th grade and Madam Nikut. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to make chocolate chip cookies. And here are the ingredients. 1 cup of white sugar and 1 cup of brown sugar. And 1 cup of butter. 2 cups of chocolate chips. 3 cups of flour. 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. 2 eggs. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 2 teaspoons of hot water. Half a teaspoon of salt. Put the sugars and the butter in the large bowl. And mix them all together. Now add the eggs in the mix. Now add the vanilla. Now we mix some more. Now add the salt. Now mix again. Now here comes the fun part. We have to put the flour in the mix, but we have to stir with this. Okay, so now we're gonna add the chocolate chips and find another spoon. And now they go in the oven for 10 minutes at 350 degrees. Now we try the cookie. Thank you everyone for listening to my presentation. Is there any questions or comments?